Alright, greetings everybody. Just wanted to come on here and show you my hair pattern. Use my voice, I'm trying not to talk too loud. Yeah, because it's like almost 1 o'clock in the morning and everybody's asleep except me and one of my cats. So I just wanted to show you guys my braiding pattern before I went to bed. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Anyways, my hair has grown tremendously. Like, I'm gonna show you the last time I did some crochet braids. It was like way up here. Yeah, look at that. So it has grown tremendously. And this is the pattern. You probably can't see because my big old forehead's in the way. Let me turn around. Can you guys see that? It's the way it looks and that it's growing. So I want to keep it up for a bit, so I'm going to put some crochet braids in tomorrow. So I will be showing you guys how I'm going to do that. So I will see you tomorrow. I'm sleeping. I'm going to show you the kind of hair that I'm using. I'm using the Connect-A-Line Femi. This is Jumbo Braid Femi collection. This is what I'm using. And I'm using the color burgundy. So, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm not about to be running my mouth so I can get finished because it's already like 9:53 and I've had to take like 3 breaks already. So before I stop babbling, you do not want to pull your edges too tight, okay? Because you'll mess your hair up. So I'm just using some regular scissors to cut everything. You guys have seen install, I'm sure, of crochet braids 50 million times. So you really don't need to see what I'm talking about. But nonetheless, I will share with you all what I'm doing. So I'm just cutting the pieces in half. And then what I'm going to do is I just take them and kind of, you know, make them raggedy on the ends. And I'm going to proceed to put this in the top of my head, so let me shut up. I'm finally done. I really don't care if my part is not, I mean, if you see knots or none of that, because that wasn't the whole purpose. It's extremely thick. It's 4 to 5 packs of hair in here. And I have to cut and thin it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm getting ready to get my scissors and do some cutting in front of you guys. I don't know if I'm going to thin tonight or not because it's already almost midnight and I'm sleepy. I've been going to bed late every day since I got off the fast and for the last few days. And I don't know why that is, what's going on, but I was just glad I was able to get this done. So as you can see, the shorter parts, let me kind of come down a little bit. The shorter parts, you know, right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my scissors, which is right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my paddle brush and comb through it like this, so I can make sure it's all detangled right there. And be careful, so you won't be pulling on your scalp.
Tired, you guys. I'm exhausted. Because this took me like all afternoon, but that was because I was on a roll at first, and I'm just tired, you guys. I had to take breaks, do things around the house. Normally, I'm telling you guys, I would only be halfway full. I am really proud of myself, you guys. I am doing a lot of healing and a lot of growing. You know, I'm maturing, you know, in my wisdom, in my thoughts, in my actions. You know what I mean? And it's taken me a while. It has. It's taken me quite a while. But I'm there, and I'm so proud of myself. I really am, because I'm making progress. Even when I, you know, have a bad moment or, you know, a meltdown, whatever you want to call it, you know, nonetheless, I still see progress, because I'm not where I was at yesterday, but I'm definitely not where I would like to be. So, tomorrow's always another day, as long as I wake up and I have breath to breathe. I'm going to strive for perfection, because that's what the Creator will want me to do, right? My knees is like really sore too, you guys. Sore as hell. Okay, so damn, that's what I'm cutting off, because I just want everything to be even, somewhat. Not all the way, but somewhat.
And let me make this clear, because I don't want to hear nobody's mouth about my background or any of that. I'm in a transition phase in my life right now. So, yeah, anyway. Because people are so judgmental. They always have something to say about somebody's background, or it's not nasty. You know, I don't have a nasty house. You know, my curtains ain't matching my comforter right now. I'm in a transition. Okay, people? I'm just saying. I'm in transition right now. So I really could care less about what is matching in my background, because I have a lot going on in my life, and matching comforters and curtains is not my concern right now, okay? One day when life is more settled, yeah, I can do that. But right now, it's too much going on for me to be worried about petty stuff, okay? Just wanted to throw that in there, people. Thank you very much. Respect that. Like a goddamn... I look like a caveman right now, okay? Or a cave woman. And y'all know I'm not digging that. So I have to thin this hair out. It's the length I want, but nonetheless, I have to thin it out. So of course, you guys, you know I'm going to thin it out. And I'm going to do that off camera, and I'll show you a picture of what it looks like. Or when I come back, I'll show you. But real quick, before I go, I'm going to show you what it looks like, the length. Okay, and I'm going to turn around in the back. You can see. And I think one side is longer than the other. But nonetheless, I like it. I like the way it looks. So I'm just gonna thin it out. And I will be back, whether it be tonight or tomorrow. So if I don't see you guys tomorrow, then good night. See you in the morning.